Hi everyone, this is Frank Steffen at Porsche North Olmsted. Today, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the Apple CarPlay functionality in our Porsche models. Apple CarPlay comes standard on all of our Macan, Taycan, and Panamera models. It's optional on the Cayennes, 718s, 911s. In order to access your Apple CarPlay, all you need to do is pair your phone via Bluetooth. That will give you access to control Siri using your voice pilot and functions through all of your Apple apps. You will have access to control Siri using the Porsche voice pilot and access all of your normal Apple CarPlay apps through the PCM system. If you have any questions on the Apple CarPlay functionality, feel free to reach out to myself or anyone here at Porsche North Olmsted. We are always more than happy to help give a tutorial live or over the phone. Thank you very much.